I'm Dr. Cynthia Clark. I'm an acupuncturist in Florida, and I've been doing telemedicine for a while. And I know right now that a whole bunch of my colleagues are suddenly doing telemedicine when you might not have before. And so I was thinking about you this morning as I was on my telemedicine calls, and I wanted to share a couple of tips and tricks for what really helps. So first of all, appearance matters. And I'm a nerdy girl that isn't super into appearance, so I was very stubborn to learn this lesson. But here are some things. So number one, ladies, a little bit of lipstick, or like actually have your makeup done. It's a time when our physical appearance, well, I mean it's all the time, but our physical appearance really positively affects the people that we're with. Like, people are dying to see us, and they want to see our smiles, and they want to see our happy faces. So look good for them, so that gives them permission to feel better, just like we do in clinic. So ways that you can do that, in addition to having your makeup done, is also you might have a pretty little background behind you. Try not to have clutter in your screen, in your vision, because it of course makes them feel like things are disorganized and disheveled. Something pretty helps them feel more peaceful. You're helping to set the stage with peacefulness. The other thing that I do is I take my notes on a computer, so even though I might be typing, I'm constantly rechecking, and that's especially important if my client doesn't have their video on. It's very easy for me to just I'm just typing, but they're seeing me the whole time. So very beneficial to do that. Okay, that's kind of the easy stuff. The next part, this isn't hard, but a little bit of professional tip will go a long way. So what you see right now is you see some pretty decent lighting. Let me show you how this is set up and how it's going on. So first of all, one of the things I have is a tripod. You can get those off of Amazon. They're not expensive. You're gonna see my desk is actually kind of messy, but that's not on my video. And then what you're also gonna see is that I have a natural light window in front of me, and then it's a $10 standing lamp, that one with the other bit at the top, right? It's the $10 standing lamp from Target or Walmart, whatever works. But what matters is getting that light directly on your face. You don't want to have a lot of shadows, especially not from overhead, because you will look like you have sudden kidney yin deficiency in spades, and it's terrible. So I hope these things help you. If you have any questions, you're welcome to instant message me, PM me, and I'm happy to help. You totally have this. You got this wired. You probably already knew this anyway, but it took me a little while to get those things down. So I just wanted to share them so that you can have really great experiences with your clients. Mwah! Love to you all, and I hope you have a really great day.